Good morning, dear children. Have you had your breakfast? Okay. Children, did you wash your hand before having the breakfast? Okay, children. Every day you should wash your hand before having the meal. Not only the breakfast. Before all meals you have to wash your hands. Okay, otherwise children, our body will be affected by lot of diseases. Okay, see, the diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. A lot of diseases are there due to the lack of nutrients. Okay, children, so every day you should wash your hands before your meals. Okay, children. So, first of all, I am going to tell you about some good food habits. Some good food habits. Okay, that you have already learned in the previous classes. First standard, second standard, you have already learned that. Good food habits. Which are they? Yes, I will tell you, all of you listen very carefully. First one, children, having food at the fixed time. What is that? Having food at the fixed time. And second one, children, before and after the meal you should wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after the meal. Okay. And third one, children, sit down at the table to eat. Don't walk and eat. You have to sit down at the table to eat. Okay. And the fourth one, children, eat slowly. Don't eat fastly. You have to eat slowly. Okay. And the fifth one, children, you have to eat fruits and vegetables. Have to eat fruits and vegetables. See, children, these fruits and vegetables contain a lot of protein and vitamins. That is a protective food. So, eat fruits and vegetables. And next one, drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water, mainly boiled water. You have to drink boiled water. Okay, and children, the last one is you have to eat nutrient-rich food. Avoid junk foods that you have already learnt. These are some good food habits. Okay, children, once again I will tell you, listen. Some of the good food habits are, which are they? Number one is having food at the fixed time. Then number two, wash your hands before and after the meals. And third one, sit down at the table to eat. Fourth one, eat slowly. Okay. And fifth one is eat fruits and vegetables. Eat fruits and vegetables. Okay. And children, another one, drink plenty of water. Mainly boiled water. You have to drink it. Okay, children. And you have to eat nutritious rich food instead of junk food. These are the main good food habits. Okay, children. I hope that you understood this content. And children, when we are eating these, when we are following these good food habits, it will be very helpful to our body. So we can protect our body from diseases. Okay, children, we can protect our body from several diseases. See, children, did you hear about deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases, what is that? Did you hear the word earlier? Deficiency diseases means, children, The diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. The diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. This is called deficiency diseases. See children, example, when we are not eating fruits, vegetables, then pulses, cereals, and then fish, meat, rice items, wheat items, we are not at all having these types of food. The sufficient nutrients are not in our body. So it will lead to diseases. Okay, so we have to eat nutrient-rich food. We have to eat nutrient-rich food. Otherwise, it will lead to deficiency diseases. What is deficiency diseases? The diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. Lack of nutrients. This is called deficiency diseases. And children, can you say which are the different types of deficiency diseases? Yes, I will tell you. Listen. Number 1 is children anemia. What is that? Anemia. It is the deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron that leads to the anemia disease. And the second one children is goiter. Goiter. What is that? This is a disease due to the deficiency of iodine, salt. Deficiency of iodine, it leads to goiter. And the third one is children, scurvy. What is that? Third one is scurvy. That is also a disease due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Due to the deficiency of vitamin C. That is scurvy. See, mainly the fruits and vegetables are provide vitamin C. Okay, so these three are the not only these three, these three are some of the deficiency diseases. Which are they? Number 1 is anemia. Number 2 is goiter. Number 3 scurvy. Okay, these three are deficiency diseases. Okay children, so in today's class we have discussed about good food habits that you have already learned in previous class. Okay, and mainly the deficiency diseases. The diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. This is called deficiency diseases. Which are they? Anemia, goiter and scurvy. Okay children, I hope that you understood today's content. So all of you watch it, write the notes, read the textbook. That is very important. Read the textbook. Okay, and we can meet at the time of Google Meet. Bye bye.